are a few things you will need to know before you come to the museum. You won't be able to take your camera into the museum as photos are forbidden, which means that applies for phones as well. If you want pictures of the exhibitions, you'll have to buy the museum guidebook, which has information as well as pictures of most of our famous exhibits. If you have a bag and you don't want to carry it around with you, then you can store it in the locker room on the ground floor near the entrance. You're welcome to walk around with your notebooks to sketch or make notes on our displays. If you're in need of refreshments, you'll have to make your way to our cafe, as you can't bring your own inside. Well, that's the list of do's and don'ts. Hope you enjoy your visit.